today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, you read the title right. I am selling everything right now to buy this. Well, if you are following my channel, you probably know that the vast majority of my portfolio is actually Bitcoin for the biggest part and then Ethereum. Now you might ask yourself, if you follow me on YouTube and Twitter, what the heck has happened? Like, this guy is almost a Bitcoin maximalist and now he's talking like this. Well, hear me out until the end of the video. What I will tell you today might be a little bit surprising. First of all, I want to go into the immediate short term because I know that you still want to know what is happening to Bitcoin, what is happening with my freaking $1 million profit trade right now. Actually, in total, it's a $2 million trade, both of these trades. But the Bitcoin trade, $1 million in a profit. The Ethereum trade, almost $100,000 in a profit. This trade is still open. Let's talk about the short term before I'm answering the actual question in the title. So this is what's happening for Bitcoin right now. It's Friday, and people are asking me already, hey, wouldn't it be nice if we would be breaking out here? No. It would not be that nice to break out today. It's Friday, so we have Saturday and Sunday not for follow-through. Friday breakouts are BS. I do not like them at all. Previously here we broke out a little bit prematurely and we also got the target, but in general, I don't like premature breakouts. I like to go a little bit more into the apex and I like to break out somewhere like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So if Bitcoin gets rejected here, no worries. We will probably, and not 100%, but most probably, we are going to be floating around during the weekend. And then hopefully, if Bitcoin breaks the resistance on Monday, this is when I would love to see the breakout, because that is the more likely one to be successful on Monday or Tuesday, somewhere here in the apex. And now, dear ladies and gentlemen, quickly the price target before I go into the big resolution of the title of that video. And this is definitely something which I wanted to talk about for a long time and just have to do it right now. Many people will not like to hear it. So first of all, you see here the price target is 32,000. 32,000, you have to keep in mind. Let me actually go back. 32,000. The price target of that pattern is not even a champagne bottle popping pattern price target, because 32,000 is still within the resistance zone we were setting up as previous support in 2020, 21, 22, which is now getting into resistance. So even if we break out, hit the price target of 32, 32.1, it's not a reason to freak out yet, because we did not break the macro resistance yet. This will be a difficult thing here in summer, because we all know that this resistance is the strongest US dollar denominated resistance we have ever had for Bitcoin. Now let's talk about what's going on here in this title. So first of all, by the way, if you want to be trading as well, I will leave down below in the comment section down below $30,000 free bonus on Bybit. If you want to be trading, if you are a trader, if you're not experienced, leave your fingers from there. Buy and hold is the best. But if you are a trader, claim $30,000 for free in the pinned comment down below in the video description. Now let's talk about what I am talking about here in the title. And that is, I'm selling all my Bitcoin to buy this. First of all, if you click this video, you are probably right now expecting, or not expecting, but like hoping for this one magic tip. This one crypto I'm recommending, which is then going 100x towards the upside, right? Let me know if that is exactly what you were waiting for. I will talk about something important. I will mention also cryptos, but first of all, I want to get one thing very straight here. Let me actually go into it. What can you see here? You can see IOTA, for example. This crypto, 2017, it pumped, and afterwards, this yellow chart is actually IOTA to US dollar, but I actually changed it to IOTA to Bitcoin. So the yellow line shows the performance against Bitcoin. Look at it. Afterwards, nothing happened. NEO, same thing, one pump. And that's the small little bull market pump we saw afterwards. Nothing compares to Bitcoin here. Even Ethereum, the second pump was way lower than the first one. Even Ethereum, where everyone says Ethereum is going to surpass the Bitcoin market cap. Well, at least so far the data doesn't suggest that. Yes, I agree, Ethereum now has a decreasing supply, like actually pretty significant. I think 1% negative inflation. Beautiful, I hold Ethereum, but I still wouldn't say necessarily it's gonna surpass Bitcoin. Monero, beautiful privacy coin, a lot of history, 2014. Well, what happened? One big spike, afterwards nothing anymore. Cardano, the huge outperformer in the last bull market, still not as same of a performance as the previous cycle. So what are we learning from that actually? We are learning that nothing beats Bitcoin over the course of at least 2 cycles. If you're buying long term, this is important. Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. I am going to mention some altcoins, but please understand this. Long-term, Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. From the top of my head, I remember 2 out of 23,000 cryptocurrencies which were outperforming Bitcoin over 2 cycles. And that was number 1, Dogecoin, by coincidence, by Elon Musk just like promoting the S out of it. And BNB. Well, okay, if you hit BNB, you hit this like once in a lifetime opportunity, because Binance is now a top 5 company worldwide. I think it's just not that public because they are not a public company, but capitalized probably top 5. So 2 out of 23,000. Keep this in mind. This is very, very important alpha I want to give to you, because still people don't understand. Oh, altcoins perform so much better than Bitcoin in every single bull market. Yeah, but they do this once, right? So what I would be looking out for in this bull cycle is actually new projects. And what I will do is I'm gonna sell them. I will sell them into Bitcoin. So yes, I have Frax shares, I have Aptos, I have Sui, I have some of these new projects. And I told you I will talk about that before the crazy bull market comes. Sui I actually sold the first day, but I am looking to buy them in the dip here, and they didn't dip significantly yet. Still a way too high market cap. I did the same with Aptos, sold very early, and then I bought in the dip. And this is what I would be looking out for. But these altcoins, I wouldn't be buying them for like 10 years time. No, I buy them to maximize my Bitcoin in this specific cycle, because highest likelihood is if you hold these altcoins over the next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years, Bitcoin is going to outperform them. Be aware of that. This is what I wanted to tell you. Like if you agree, like if you disagree, but more importantly, join the discussion down below in this video. I would love to know what you think about that. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye.